Hello and welcome in this video for this exercise. This is an integral to calculate, and this is integral of 1 over x squared plus 6x plus 25 dx. And so if you want to give a try, please pause the video. Otherwise, let's see the solution. One way to solve that, this is to focus on the denominator of this fraction, and x squared plus 6x. This is the beginning of remarkable identity, and this is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared equals a plus b squared. So we need to transform a little bit this quadratic polynomial. So this is x squared plus 6x plus 9 plus 16. Like this, we've got x plus 3 squared plus 16. So to recap, this is integral of 1 over x plus 3 squared plus 16 dx. So now we are going to use U-substitution, and U, this is what is between parentheses, this is x plus 3, and du, this is dx. So now we need to solve integral of 1 over u squared plus 4 squared du. So we need to find out an antiderivative to this function. We know that this function 1 over u squared plus a squared has an antiderivative such as 1 over a inverse tangent of u over a. So if we apply this formula now, we end up with 1 over 4 inverse tangent of u over 4 plus capital C, and capital C, this is a constant number. So now we substitute back. Instead of writing u, this is x plus 3. So the final answer is 1 over 4 inverse tangent of x plus 3 over 4 plus capital C. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one.